the difference between ما and ماذا. Okay, we usually use ما when we are asking about objects or concepts or abstract nouns, like ما اسمك. ما اسمك, and اسمك means your name. What is your name? And ما العنوان. العنوان means the address. And ما الطريق. ما means what, and الطريق means the way. Means what is the way. So one thing we will notice is that after the interrogative tool, what comes is a noun and not a verb. So ما usually comes after it a noun, not a verb. Not a verb. Okay? And ماذا also means what. We use ماذا when we are asking about actions and explanations or descriptions. Okay? And ماذا always comes after it a verb, not a noun, like ما. ما comes after it a noun, but ماذا comes after it a verb, like ماذا تفعل. تفعل, what are you doing? It's a verb, not a noun. And ماذا means what. حدث. حدث means happened. Happened, a verb, not a noun. So let's see some examples. The first example is ماذا ترى. ماذا ترى. ترى means see. And ماذا تسمع. ماذا تسمع, it's also a verb. What do you hear? ماذا أكلت. ماذا أكلت. أكلت, it's also a verb. What did you eat? What did you eat? So ماذا usually comes after it a verb, not a noun, like ما. ما usually comes after it a noun, but ماذا usually comes after it a verb. And also we have another example here. ما تفعل. ما is using for nouns, but here تفعل is a verb. تفعل means doing, so it will be incorrect. It should be ماذا تفعل. ماذا تفعل, because ماذا is using for asking about verbs. Okay, let's solve some questions. The first one, which word means what and is used for questions about objects? Look, objects, not verbs. So it will be ما. Which word is used to ask about actions and events? Look, action and events, not objects. So it will be ماذا, not ما. Which sentence is correct? ما اسمك, correct, because ما using for asking about nouns. ماذا اسمك is incorrect, because ماذا usually comes after it a verb, not a noun. ما تفعل, incorrect, because تفعل is a verb, and ما usually comes after it a noun. ماذا هذا is incorrect also, because ماذا usually comes after it a verb, and هذا means this, it's a noun. So the answer will be A. Which word can also mean that or which in relative clauses? It will be ما, not ماذا. ماذا is using for questions only, but ما can use in different cases, such as when exiled. Which question is grammatically wrong? ما هذا الكتاب, correct. ماذا تقرأ, correct, because تقرأ is verb, means read. ما تقرأ, it's wrong, because ما usually comes after it a noun, not a verb. Which word is used in negation? It will be ما, because it's the only interrogative tool that is used in negation, so it will be ما. Which translates to what happened. What happened, it will be ماذا حدث. حدث means happened, and حدث is a verb, so we will use ماذا, not ما. Which word is missing in this question? تفعل هنا. تفعل is a verb. تفعل is a verb, so it will be ماذا. Which questions ask about a thing, not an action? It will be ما. ما for thing, not an action. Which word is only for questions? Only for questions, it will be ماذا. ماذا, because ما is the only interrogative tool that is used in negation. This question is for you guys. This question is for you guys. ما تفعل هنا. ما تفعل هنا. What are you doing here? Is correct or incorrect? You can write the answer in the comments.